the VisionREZ roof, and then I'm going to pick roof cricket. Now we have three-sided saddle, four-sided saddle, three-sided cricket, multi-sided cricket. Some of these are going to be the most popular you're going to use are these three. This one sometimes you will use when we have some references in our help file on how to use that one. For the three-sided, so right behind the chimney, let's just pick the material we're going to use. 2x6 roof shingle, 4 and 12 pitch is good. We've got that selected, so let's say OK. Very first thing we have to do is pick the plane that's going to be against. Then we're going to pick the edge of our chimney. So now that you see it's there, let's take a look in 3D. There's our pieces. All right, so next we're going to fill in this area in the front. So let's switch back to roof plan. Let's do the drop down. Let's get back to roof cricket. And on this one, we are going to use a cricket. And we're going to change that because of the slope. Probably a 2 and 12 is going to be working for us better. And let's pick the same type of roof that we already have going on there. So that's a 2x6 roof shingle. Let's say OK. First thing is you pick where you want it to go to. Now it's asking you to pick the opposing sides and the where you're going to start from. So you can pick either left or right first, doesn't matter. So I'm going to pick there, pick in the back. So it's put in our piece, and you notice it doesn't cut the pieces underneath, and that's quite all right because we typically build this on top of the roof anyways. So take a look at that in 3D, just so you can get an idea of what it's doing here. There's our piece, and if we were to break it down into just hidden line, you can see it a little bit better. So that's how that works. So to change that back to shaded, let's do a couple others. Let's switch back to roof plan. The four-sided saddle. So this one is a little different because we're taking two different roofs at two different plates. So you notice this roof is higher than this roof. But we need to join those together. So we need to shed water pretty good, obviously. So let's add, what's the four-sided saddle? Let's pick the correct material, 2x6 roof shingle. Say OK, and this is easy as clicking this side and then that side. So here again, if I switch over to hidden view, you can see those pieces are planed in properly and they start and end exactly where we put them. Switch to the roof plan, and we're going to use a three-sided cricket. And to give you an idea what that looks like, let me hide a couple of pieces. We have a piece that starts right there. So this has a little bit of different way of doing things. So I'm just going to hide reset, put that back, and then I'm going to hide these pieces. So I'm going to pick this, and all I'm doing is type in HH to hide things. HH. So what I need to do is have a cricket start here and then end back here. Three-sided cricket, and change material. Start here, finish there, cut here, and also against the wall. And then there's our piece. And then we hide reset. This is where we turn all the pieces back on. And then we take a look in 3D, get to the shaded view, or actually hidden view. You can see that piece in there. And it's sitting in there exactly where it should be, so it's going to shed water properly. That is a section on roof tools with both Revit and VisionREZ.